What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of this weekend. And welcome to your daily Ethereum update. We'll talk about Ethereum. We'll talk about the fundamentals, the technicals, everything you need to know. Let's get right into it. Before we start with Ethereum, though, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join my trading signal group. We've been very profitable so far, so if you're interested in that, check that out. But now onto Ethereum. So it's weekend. We've started the weekend relatively bullish, but we can already see that volatility is getting out of the markets, right? That's usually what happens in the weekends. Volume is down about 20%. Now I have to say that the volume is still relatively okay for now. I mean, if we compare this with last weekend, I think it was... last weekend was actually higher, but it went down towards 5.5 and even almost below 5 billion during the weekend. Has already dropped down. Volume was relatively high in the last couple of days due to the bullish breakout we had. But I do not expect that much volatility this weekend. It's also Easter tomorrow, of course. But overall, I mean, technically, if you take a look at Ethereum, we are bullish right now. We are at this resistance level, around 1880, but we have found support at 1840. That's a bullish confirmation. We kind of held that 50 EMA and that bullish trend line. So overall, I am still bullish on Ethereum. Even though yesterday we talked about the Ethereum Shanghai upgrade and how I am kind of afraid of that. For now, we have received bullish confirmation, at least for now. I mean, it can turn south pretty easily. So yeah, for now I'm still bullish, given all of the circumstances. I also think if you take a look at, for example, the dollar strength index, so this is more for the beginning of next week, the dollar strength index is nearing resistance, and I think it's going to find resistance, and I think it's going to drop down. That's bullish for Ethereum. So altogether, I think all of the fundamentals, so both the economic kind of circumstances / fundamentals and the fundamentals for Ethereum itself are still bullish. Now, having said that, as I said earlier as well, I do not expect that much bullish, or I do not expect that much momentum or volatility at all. I do think that perhaps after finding some more resistance here around 1880, that we will find support at 1855, 1840, and I do think we can break above that level. All right, so I think we can trend up towards 1900 and 1920. But breaking above that 1920, 1940 level, to me, at this point of time, I don't think it's going to happen. The Shanghai upgrade is next week, Friday, I believe. So we could still do that. I guess if the inflation rate, which is next week, Wednesday, is much lower than expected. If that happens, all right, well, then we could actually still perhaps break above 1920, get up to 2020. But altogether, the probability of it seems low to me, because I do think that the closer the Shanghai upgrade gets, the more bullish momentum, or the more bearish momentum, excuse me, don't get it twisted, the more bearish momentum we will encounter, but also experience. And I just don't think that with the momentum we're seeing right now, and the volatility we're seeing right now, we are strong enough to break above 1920 before really experiencing the bearish momentum coming from the news, which I do expect. So altogether, I think we can experience some bullish momentum in the short term, but I do not think we can break above 1920 and 1940. So I'll keep you updated on Ethereum, of course, but for now, that's my take and my analysis. So thank you for watching. Take care today, enjoy your weekend, and bye.